Crafty Friends, Carrie here. I have a journal kit that I'm putting together, and here's what's going to be in it. They're going to be, these are 6x6. These are double-sided cardstock here. Well, that one's not double-sided, that's single-sided, okay. Double-sided. These are cardstock weight papers. Okay, and then this is cardstock weight, but it's single-sided. And then these are a few single-sided, just paperweight, like typewriter paperweight papers. And then, in addition to the 6x6s, this here is a little smaller than a 5x7. But this is a textured cardstock, single-sided. And then we have a single-sided cardstock. This is a 5x7. So is this. This is double-sided. And then this one is double-sided as well. And then I have 3 pieces of plain cardstock. I think these are they're 7.5, 5.5 by 7.5. Just cardstock, plain cardstock that could be used to make things with. And then I have some little pieces that are about 4x4. So there's this pretty little one here, and it is double-sided. And this one is double-sided. This one is solid on the back. Okay. So those are little 4x4, so that'll all be in there. And then I'm also including a sheet of this vintage pink tracing paper. I'm including a sheet of onion skin. I'm including a sheet of vellum. And these are all regular 8.5 by 11 sheets. And then I'm including 2 pieces of pink, just typewriter rate paper. These are about 12 by 8.5. And then I'm including more than I thought, 2 pieces of green. This is a little bit lighter weight, and it's 8.5 by 11. So you'll get all of that in there. Okay, so and that's the papers. And then to make the journal, I'm including 2 pieces of 3-hole punch lightweight chipboard that is 6x6. I'm pretty sure, yes. Well, just a little bit smaller than 6x6 actually. It's already punched. I'm including 3 rings to go with that to make the cover. Okay, and now on to the little embellishments and stuff you will be getting with it. You're going to get all these pretty iridescent white flowers. There are 4 of the large and 3 of the smaller. We'll get those in the kit. Get this little blue flower applique. You'll get one pink and one blue of the sparkly butterfly appliques. This is a acetate butterfly. This is a little punched layered butterfly with paper and vellum. You'll get two cute little butterflies here that can be used as embellishments or to put on paper clips. You will get 5 assorted little metal butterflies. You'll get this rose. You'll get these little flower flatbacks here, and now they're enamel. You'll get this little flower charm. You're going to get a little hummingbird charm, a wing charm, a little flower spacer bead, little winged heart spacer bead. You're going to get this lovely piece here. This is from a bracelet. It's a lovely little embellishment piece. You're going to get these 2 heart buttons, heart lock buttons. This was also from a bracelet. It's a heart. Then you're going to get this heart bead, little snow cone button. You're going to get this little assortment of little flower acrylic flat packs. You get these little jewels here. And then you're going to get this assortment of pearl flat packs in different sizes, different colors. Really nice assortment. I am going to throw in a package of assorted little rhinestone flat packs. These are very little ones if you look at it with my finger under it. These are teeny little ones. So you're going to get that. I'm going to throw in these sequins. You get some pretty blue, these bright green, some gold, and a darker green. I'm also going to throw in some little micro beads, but I don't have them out. But I'm going to throw in a few of those to help you if you want to make a shaker. You're going to get this little embellished paper clip. You're going to get these 2 clothespins that you can use. That would be one of the things that you could use some of these things for, like this. You can embellish the paper clip with these. You know, that'll be up to you. Then I'm going to give you this little assortment of these little teeny mini paper clips in different colors. You're going to get a yard of this green and white polka dot ribbon. How much is this? This is get a little bit more than half a yard of this sheer green ribbon. Yeah, you've got a yard of this white lace trim. You'll get a little more than a yard of this lace trim with the blue ribbon, roughly trim. You're going to get about half a yard of this sheer variegated blue-green ribbon. You're going to get a nice little batch of pink eyelash trim, some purple eyelash trim, some really pretty blue and green variegated eyelash trim, pink heart applique, heart butterfly applique. You're going to get this piece of this pretty blue trim. You're going to get about 28 inches of this pretty green crochet type trim. You're going to get this square of this blue flower lacy fabric. Okay, and then I got a couple more trims in here. This is probably about 18 inches. Oh, actually, it's a little bit more. It's about 28 inches of this green, slightly stretchy elastic trim. And then 16 inches of this crochet cream colored trim. I'm going to put in this small 1-inch walnut stain distress ink. It's new, it's never been opened. That's going to be in the kit. You're going to get this little package of washi tape strips from Jane Davenport. There is 32 pieces, it's on 5 sheets, 32 pieces. There's the little sheets on the back, very nice little washi tape strips. You get this little package here of little post-it notes. You're going to get these little chipboard pieces. Gives you those. You're going to get a package of this right here. And then you're going to get this little package from K & Company embellishments, blue and greens. So you're going to get all this lovely stuff. Oh, yes, I got some more things. This is a little journal pocket made from a book page, already made for you. A small little envelope. You get this little gold and white bag, and in here we got some goodies in here. You get this pretty little hibiscus journaling card. Get this little journaling card here. You'll get this little altered card here. Well, it's a good day to have a good day card. This cute little tag here, be bright. This pretty little gold and white tag here. Get this little floral card here. And then this little printed postcard journaling card. So you're going to get all of that. So it's going to be all packed up into a neat little kit. This will be really neat to make a little springtime junk journal. And you have everything you need here to make your first journal. And you probably will have some extra supplies because I doubt you're going to use all of these trim embellishments on this journal, but it gives you a nice selection of really pretty trims and pieces to use to make a pretty springtime journal. And then in addition to that, I will wrap the kit into this pretty tissue paper. This is a nice heavyweight tissue paper, and obviously you will be able to use this as well in your journal. Okay, thank you everybody, and have a fabulous day. My Etsy shop will be linked below.